neighborhood. I won't stop painting till the world looks the way it should. I'm on a mission to make heaven look like my neighborhood. Fuck, creep in a yard, storm the gates 100 deep. Who knew these cans of True Blue was heat and thunder speech? Old Chicago, role models was avocados and olives. Throw-ups without hangovers, names older than God's is. Where bombing's not a hobby, it's a habit. Where addicts, rappers bragging about tags and don't know dick about this graph shit. Attack the Metro track with fat caps for fading gray greens. Can't wait to see Page versus Daily. It's on like Lucky Hoodies. What could he teach me while you were sleeping? I'm teaching his kids through graffiti. I have to argue, been rhyming, this shit ain't hard to do. But check the quote advertisements on Jarvis and Harbor Blue. Outlined in summer squash, dumb rock, my dark attire. Mind's wrecked from running from cops. Hopping barbed wire while you dream of being me between clean sheets. Play the role, personality splitting like mean streaks. No room for bling bling and thugs and whack crooks. I'm trying to king the line, bring your drugs, gear and black books. I'm in your face, in the tunnels and at the bruise spots. I'm on your train, insane to hit paddy wagons and rooftops. You heard of me, burgundy and outlines like murder scenes. German eats and ferns and flat whites for blurring greens. Fuck over your heads, yo, I'm climbing pylons. Tobacco brown Montanas, banana krylons. Hit the red line, headlines fuck the buff, yo. For those who must know, it's Ben Fresh Blue like Rusto.
From mics to breakdance, true to the art. It's simple and plain, let me explain. This is a mission, not a small-time thing. From mics to breakdance, true to the art. This is a mission, not a small-time thing.
I remember graph before more beef than Hindu sacrilege. Hey, you right? Fuck you, rack your fat caps from lids. Bragging on tracks, how you snap way in the day. Masturbate to lies, I'm too busy shaking paint rain. Sleet or snow out to rock when missions call. Laugh at graffiti blasters, piss on permission walls. Wrong side of the graph track with acid. 3D glasses, blast this shit backwards in graffiti blaster classes. After smashings, vandal squads asking what happened. I'm done rapping, colder than Aspen to get your tags flipped. Beef without slabs of meat, sagging your jeans. Graphene, scream for grip dipsticks. Even your tag is weak. This is for you who choose to rock lines. And toys were red pilots rocking stop signs. Stop lying, find your niche. Mine's a bitch to kick, bad habit. Language visualize, content fat. Mad graphic past the flat black as this cat snaps. And laughs at fashion fat writers with a fill-in. Quell villain feels like writing, keep killing. Resurrecting heaven's buildings and building heaven's children.
From mics to breakdance, true to the art. It's simple and plain, let me explain. This is a mission, not a small-time thing. From mics to breakdance, true to the art. This is a mission, not a small-time thing.
You ain't seen a freight train, straight aim with paint stains. Or parked trucks framed in stardust, brushed with fame flames. 3 cans of soul, green sand and gold to spray trucks. Names dribble down the yard, we hit the layups.